Catching a ant queen and raising an ant colony from that is a wonderful feeling and experience for an ant keeper. And as ant keepers, the perfect opportunity that we get once in a year to catch a queen ant is during nuptial flights. And for those who are new to ant keeping and don't know what nuptial flights basically is a period which happens during rainy seasons and lasts from July to September, in which virgin male and female ellets fly out from their nest to mate with each other. After mating, the male ants die on huge masses as they fulfill their only purpose in their life, and the female ellets after that broke her wings as they are no longer needed and then search a good place to found an ant colony. I have actually been waiting for this specific week to create this video because I knew that nuptial flights are currently ongoing, which gives beginner ant keepers a chance to catch their own queen ant. So I figured out now was the perfect time and occasion to start a new ant keeping journey with all of you guys, right from the genesis, the beginning. Behold, in this test tube contains a seed which will hopefully one day will give rise to an ant empire of thousands of ants strong. Meet these three royal highnesses of proud genus Camponotus, aka carpenter ants, and it's the largest and most diverse genus of ants with more than 1,000 species with various subspecies and subgenera. I have caught them earlier last week, so they have successfully completed their first week in this test tube. Also, I only caught 3 of them, and as they are polygene, so I have decided to raise them together. Here is the footage which I have captured, in which you can see one of these queen ants are mating with male ellets. And these dozens of male ellets are fighting furiously to earn their queen. It must be an hell of an experience for the queen ellet. Alright, back to the present. As it's only been a week, so nothing much has happened till now. The queens have laid a bunch of eggs and most of them are not hatched into larvae. The ants have indirect development, which means that the young will have to go through several stages before finally becoming an adult worker. Alright, let me show you the close-up footage of the eggs. It will take approximately 1.5 months for these eggs to develop into adult workers. I will make a video on them every week to share their progress and journey with you guys. As a general rule of thumb, ant keeping requires a great deal of patience, and it's important that when a colony is in its founding stage like this one, do not disturb them. Only view them once in a week. Otherwise, the queen can stress out and eat her own eggs, or even she can die. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and as this is the only colony which I currently keep, so do drop down your ideas in the comment section about which ant species should I keep next, and also which type of video would you like to see on my channel next, as this is going to be a series which I will upload regularly every week. So till then, it's Ants India signing out.